Odiativus na kwachiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity Kanyine Lois Gavah erizoba n'urwa mukaga ebiro n'umunana byo ku 11 2025 kandi shahane ibiri ezo mwebazi reka tubanze twije nebijam tugwa makuraga kandi kuturaga cyo twisi amakuru Agacencwire ombwejire.
Emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurwa basiga Investment Limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga. Tera noti musanzu ibiri mukaga na mukaga notina atal neitano.
Okusinzira kulangeza enjawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint yelanji wa Global aleta wenjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazi siringi.
St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozirwa mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisiwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo. St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa omu maduka gona mu ihanga lyona.
Agacencwire kireki President Museveni asibira mu rubududa na misindo arukuronda karuru abayo bamushabo kubafurura kurwo mu nshozi.
The Baduda are requesting that you relocate them within Bududa through urbanization.
Aba National Unity Platform nibetombo itera polisi ko batwariza kubi omungendo zabo barukuronda karuru.
Bakuteba food soldiers banji, bakuteba member bafe banji nyo. Mu bantu abasuka mu 10 bakute abasingo bunji bawano.
Robert Kyagulanyi asibira mu Rwampara na Ntungamo enkuyanja bamwere ko bahagizi.
Mukiriza abantu banabamamo, temukiriza abantu banabawulamo.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurwa basiga Investment Limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga. Tera noti musanzu ibiri mukaga na mukaga notina atal neitano.
Okusinzira kulangeza enjawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint yelanji wa Global aleta wenjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazi siringi.
St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozirwa mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisiwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo. St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa omu maduka gona mu ihanga lyona.
Mbabazi Charity na Lois Gavah gana makuru Agacencwire ombwejire. President Museveni yagumza mukushera akaruru ko kumugara mu ntebe eyo kwa president ahabwe inshuro eyamshanju. Erizoba yasiba ryo mu district ya Namisindwa ne ya Bududa kandi aboko bamshabaho kubafurura kabiho mu nshozi ezitwire nezitenguka. Omushachi witu wa makuru hainebiro kukiraho.
Omukushera karuruko bwa president erizoba abahaji ba president Museveni mu rubududa na Namisindwa bamushabo kubiho mu nshozi ezibara kugira ngo nezitenguka burikire zigendera mu namagara g'abantu babo. Chairman w'ekibina kya NRM bwa district ya Bududa Muhaya Kloto yagira ngo abantu ba Bududa nibatunga amatungo gatari ga muringo gumwe nukwe kushaba President Museveni ngo abafurura biho mu nshozi abatwaro myanya etari mu kutenguka kwitaka.
Like your president, you have always been here doing the disasters caused by nature. We are begging that you have done a lot of work for Bududa, but don't get tired. The Baduda are requesting that you relocate them within Bududa through urbanization.
Speaker w'ishenjero Anta Anet Among yagira ngo bashasha n'abantu ba Bududa abo kutenguka kwitaka ngo bitkonkezo n'entekateka za mukama ati President Museveni.
Your Excellency, we want to thank you for really supporting the victims of the landslides. Landslides is out of natural cause by an act of God. But you get very short-sighted politicians say that is Museveni who has done it. It is an act of God.
Your Excellency, allow me to say something small about PDM. PDM has changed the life of Bududa. We are the ones supplying cows now in eastern and part of Kampala as beef. The good meat you eat in Kampala, Your Excellency, is coming from Bududa.
And we have seen the support here. You have also seen that it is Nandut. Have you seen the flag bearer here? It is Nandut who is here, and it's Nandut they want to vote because they grabbed the flag and gave it to another person.
President omukugamba kwe yagira ngo ija kushera obushaki bwa NRM okugumiza munetegeka ihanga.
We have a big manifesto which they are going to bring to your villages. On the side of economic infrastructure, what has been done? The road has come from tarmac road has come from Bari. Up to Buburo.
Now,
some of these things take time because I want you to guide your members of parliament whom you elect. Mubalonde bawulize umusakuru byaloma.
Bawulirize umusakuru byasalom. Mwawuliresho. Bawulirize umusakuru shasakola alien.
Because sometimes they don't listen to what I tell them.
Bali balalo mu mubalonda balekereza mu musakuru sababolera ta.
And that's when we get all these delays.
Nyenchakare President Museveni naija kumura mu kushera Karuru kandi ro kubanza naija kusiba mu district ya Mbale na Buko. Ndi Anita Tukunda.
Webere Anita Atkunda okwatire National Unity Platform ebendera ho mukaruko bwa President Robert Kyagulanyi herizoba yasibu mu Rwampara na Ntungamo kandi nkuyanja bayirundaniro mu mbaje z'emihanda n'obusenta okumwachira oguyashaba okumwesiga bakamuha Karuru okutungura ebicuru kusibazo mu ihanga.
Lare ya Robert Kyagulanyi omu district ya Rwampara yatankasha mushanzi hangwe okuyaganiraho n'abantu ba Kinone Nyihanga na Bugamba.
Nabareterecho zo cyanje okukibaha kikunda Uganda no kukira kikunda baramubacha bakore. Mbashaba Karuru kechezo cyanje mukimpera Karuru aho kunetsinda kumanya abaganda nibakunda bakwe babo kumbera muha Karuru nimo mukuza kukirayo kunamu aho rarene ambrero korechi
Abakubaruga Rwampara bagumizamo bazantungamo kandi okunayo bamworeka rukundo.
Bantu mwelimba kunda mnonga mwebale mnonga banage muveyo mulonde kano ke kasera abo kusinga hamuri eminyeto twena tuli omuntu omwe nitukundana nitushwerana kandi abantu betu nibatura hamwe.
Batureta kuno mukishaka baturetese bisha ibiringa bibiri hari ya rubani tukamule bakumwijira mugiye manzi
ekimare birekaza mukakireba mukarebe ko ndatubayarebere ko ni aya matere ko binoba mbano gamba masuma yeka tugamba jamasuma ala mutine nshene tugamba masuma.
Robert yasha abantu bantungamo okumutamo obwesije bamutorane aba president ateho Ugandensia.
Temukiriza abantu bonna bamenyamenyamu temukiriza abantu bonna bawulamu banage fetu kyali bato. Uganda egenda kubeerawo Museveni agenda naye Uganda egenda kusigalawo so tusigalewo nga tuli mu Uganda fena nga tetwagalana.
Excellence chanje mwakureba. Echachi mukureba ntenda kwa president mutakurucha. Mutakuruberera karuru. Muhabike mukonya kubera muzaku muhakaruru. Mbara. Peter Kaya. Our power. Mwenye chirize chojo chanje jitwaro mwiturubare. Tukwe.
Nyenchakare Robert Kyagulanyi Bobi Wine naza kumuraho arukubanza abiteme nkito azerukiga na kabare abwa TV West ni Senyomo Gideon
ite twena tuli omuntu omwe
webale Senyomo Gideon. Major General Mugisha Muntu kwatire kigombe cha ANT ebendero mukaruko gwa president yagumzamu harukuronda karuru omuchanga cha Acholi aho yaisebiro bishatu harukuronda karuru erizoba yakarondero mu district ya Agago na Padel.
Okwatire kigombe cha ANT ebendero mukaruru ka president wa Uganda Major General Mugisha Muntu oriona aronda karoro muri Acholi campaign zezerizoba yazitandikira mu district ya Agago aho abatoro mugombore ya Omiya Apacha bayoreko kwetombwita ahabwo bworobo kubazana sandomboro ya Soro Muntu yahabanta abamagezi kubatine korero bworo ahabwo kubabina mataka mahango agobashemerire koresa okweho mbworo.
Because we have the discipline, we have the management capability, and we also have a desire to see a country where people devote chips, cows of people and cows in all the border area that where vulnerabilities are of the Karamajong, and you just be able to wipe out that problem.
Oguyaza no muri Karango Town Council aho enjura yabera nyinji ya mwachira kandi okweminyeto bamushabo kurwana senguzi erengero mu government kwarabe yabire president.
Corruption is so deep in this country. There is literally no service you can get in this country anymore.
Waje mere men kitaguru ni tikerege kiwai. Epe tuki mara ki helicopter ebe horo ki kwere kingom. Mere ye president mabego. President mama vuone.
Omyanya ndijo muri Agago bamugambira ko barukuteganisibwa ibura ry'embazo mu marwaro amashomero hamwe n'engutombi.
I can't even understand people on the NRM board how they can be that bold to defend things which are indefensible. How will they defend lack of drugs in hospitals? How can they defend selling of jobs all over the country? How can they defend corruption? Really? How?
And Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West Agacencwire.
Webali Edwin Ram akasheshekerizoba omwebembezi w'orubaju orhaba government omwishenjero Joel Senyonyi yaika kitebe cha police yambara okureba abahagizi ba National Unity Platform abakwasirwe nyomwebazi obu president wa NUP Robert Kyagulanyi habire naza kuronda karuro muri Kashari mbara embohe babareba konka batangara omuringo gubashangwamo nuko koreka okukwatwaho ahabwe miringo y'polisi n'akachiko ko bururu aka Electoral Commission barukutwarizamu abantu mu rugendo rwabo barukuronda akaruru.
Achitebe kikuru cha polisi aho murembo rambara Joel Senyonyi yabashenekereziweho omuhandiki mukuru w'ekigombe cha National Unity Platform ekibinji bakumanyanka NUP Louis David Rubongoya n'omubiiki w'ekigombe Katana Benjamin. Aba bayakirwa Kaganzi omudumizi wa polisi ya Field Force Unit.
Kati yategeze tuzekora.
Kaganzi bwaimu yabakwasa OC station ogubwanyuma yabakwasa DPC abazo mu rukiko oltikizibwamo banyamakuru. Ebyo nabiri kugenda mu misho twatunga Mugisha okwika omundu mu kihome.